Magluluto ako nitong magandang fish, silver fish. Ang tawag ko dito kasi hindi ko alam ang pangalan niya. Because it is, the color is silvery, that's why I call it a silver fish. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko dito is ipapaksiw ko siya ng kakaibang paksiw na meron siyang kakaibang sangkap na pambihira ko lang matagpuan kung saan kasi guys, meron kaming puno ng sampalok sa labas. Gusto kong i-try, i-experiment kung ito ay maganda para sa paksiw. That's why we are going out at kunin natin yung bulaklak ng sampalok. Naisip ko kasi guys, kasi na bulaklak, ang daming bulaklak ng sampalok namin. That's why sabi ko labas ako, kuha ako noon kasi alam ko itong sampalok ay magandang sangkap ng lutuing mga ulam. Kaya ayan, ba? So ngayon, pero hindi lang flowers ang kukunin ko guys, pati yung kanyang dahon. Dito lang sa labas namin ito. Kaya kukunin ko yan kasi magsilaglagan din yan eh. Konti lang din mag-remain kasi mahipan siya ng habit. Katulad niyan oh. Magsilaglagan na siya dito sa lupa. Kaya kukunin ko habang marami pa. Ayun ang pangsangkap ko doon sa ating isasangkap ko. At tsak ko, masarap ito. Yan. The sampalok flowers. Tamarind flowers is to be used today for cooking my fish. Okay guys, I have here in front of me the spices, the complete ingredients for this recipe. The spigoli, I call it the silver fish with sampalok flower, or the spigoli with tamarind flowers. Ayan guys, oh, para siyang sampagita. Nakita nyo, ang ganda ng color. Lagyan natin ito ng ganyang sahog guys, yung tamarind flowers, yung ating fish. Look at that. It's just like orchids, di ba? Nice. Let's start now the cooking. Like that. You cannot see. Yan. Yan. So, the garlic, crushed garlic, the red onions, of course, like that. The tomatoes, wow, very colorful. Then the vinegar, a little bit of water, of course, 1/3 cup of water or 1/2. And then I will place the tamarind flowers here, including the leaves. Wow, ang ganda, diba? Oh, nice. And then I will put all the leaves and flowers like that. All over the body of this fish to let that tamarind flavor be absorbed by that body of the fish. Okay? Ayan. So, here is it, covered by tamarind. And then, I will just put the soy sauce like that. This serves as that gives the saltiness, the salt taste. I will not anymore place the salt. Okay, and then the olive oil. Ayan guys, ang sarap nito. Okay, I will now go to the burner and then cook this. Look at that beautiful fish. Nice. Okay, let's go to the burner. Okay. Lutuin natin yan dyan. And then, cover it. And then, let's cook that for maybe 15 minutes. Okay? So, let's wait 15 minutes. That will be cooked surely. Okay? I will be showing you after 15 minutes. Okay? After 15 minutes, let's see what is happening inside this pan. Wow! So, guys, luto na. Already cooked and ready to eat. Let us see. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Oh, luto na siya. Tingnan natin yung laman niya. Let us see. Wow. And let us taste also. Let us taste this. Sour. And it has this flavor of the kikoman, very distinct, and it's health-delicious. It tastes healthy. It's sour, refreshing taste, with refreshing taste, and with this tamarind flowers. Ang sarap. Wow. This is very delicious flour. I love it. It gives a flavor that is very distinct. So refreshing. I love it. Sarap. Okay, patayin ko na. Okay. Switch off. Ayan na. Okay, guys. Nakita nyo yung luto ko? Wow. Ganon sa baliktad. Ganyan. Tapos yung kanyang kamatis, naluto siyang ganyan, oh. So nice, guys. Yung pusa ay tumutunog na. Tumutunog. Nagmimiyaw na kasi naamoy nga itong very delicious fish. Ito ang favorite nila, di ba? Okay, tikman ko, guys. Grabe. Heavenly. Heavenly. Try it with your tamarind flowers if you have flowers. If you have tamarind trees, bantayan nyo na yung mga flowers at itry nyo ito. Kakaiba ang lasa ng flower. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Sana mag-subscribe na kung di pa nakasubscribe at click the bell button, yung notification bell para kayo ay ma-update every time na mayroong bagong video. Okay guys? Fun lang tayo. Smile often. Okay? Stay inspired always. God bless and take care everyone. Okay, take care everyone. Thank you guys. Love you.